Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, do not adjust your screen. Do not turn the video off. This is the iPhone 15 Pro. I decided to pick it up. In this video, I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing and give you my first look at the phone and just have some fun with it. I have used iPhone before, but yes, I am mostly an Android phone user. But, you know, I can get down with iPhones once in a while. I do have a lot of cases that I will be reviewing for y'all. Y'all can see how an Android guy feels about an iPhone 15 Pro. And I'm gonna use the cameras on here. I'm gonna do some gaming on here. Just the normal things you know, do in a review status. I decided to pick up the iPhone 15 Pro in blue. It's blue titanium. I didn't wanna go with the natural look. I didn't wanna go with the white or the black. That's all boring. Blue is my favorite color, so why not get the blue titanium? Yes, I got it from T-Mobile. I got some deals on there. iPhone, normal stuff you get. But let's do a quick unboxing because when I say quick, there's really nothing in this box, you know. Ooh. Oh, look at that blue. Okay, and it feels really light too. Man, titanium is light. So you get your normal books and stuff here, and you get the USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Look at that. I can plug this wire directly into my Android phone. Apple finally caved in and put it on their phones. But look, oh. Now, like I said, I'm not a big Apple fan, but this color, oh my goodness. If you didn't pick up the blue, I don't know what's wrong with you. Oh, I love Android OEMs, please make a color like this. Do we have any power on here? Yes, you do. So you have the 3 cameras back there. I think it's an ultra wide, a main lens. I think they're 48 megapixels. You have the power button there. You have your Vine rockers and then the new action button. This is made with titanium sides. Now it does look like you will still get fingerprints on here, which everybody's been talking about. Not much as the stainless steel that they had, but it looks like you will get some fingerprints on there. The first thing I noticed, it is light. So you have the USB charging port there and the microphone and a speaker. It still has the island there, the dynamic island, I think that's what they call it. Man. It is definitely light, y'all. Definitely light. I like the little antenna bands around it. What y'all think about that blue color? And the little Apple logo there. All y'all Apple fanboys, do y'all use Apple a lot? Y'all let me know in the comments. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me on this phone. I'm going to try to test out the cameras on here. I'm going to do a gaming review. I might compare it to my Z Fold 5 here. Or even the Flip. Maybe even the Pixel 8 when that comes out. If I decide to pick up that phone. But, I mean, I like the feel of this. Is the 6.1 inch screen. It has a new chip in there. What, the A17 Bionic chip. You will get iOS 17 on here. But, man. I love the color, y'all. If you had the white or the black or the natural titanium, let me know. But I think this blue is a winner for sure. I never seen it before. now, and I never seen it in person until now, and I am a big fan of this blue color. But stay tuned to the channel. Like I said, I want to just do a quick unboxing, give y'all my first look at the phone. I'm honest with y'all. Look, I'm not an iOS user. I use Android, but just the build on here is sick. And it feels like it's more curved too than it's like my 14 Pro Max I had. I don't know if that's true or not, but it seems like these corners are more curved, that it fits better in the hands too. But y'all let me know what y'all want to see from me. Just a quick unboxing, first look at the iPhone 15 Pro. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 15 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And yes, I have a lot of cases. This is just a third of it. A lot of cases to review for this phone. But until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.